Pros and cons of event-driven architectures. Introduction. In today's digital world, businesses need to be agile, responsive, and scalable to meet the growing demands of customers. One of the ways to achieve this is through the implementation of event-driven architectures. An event-driven architecture is a software design pattern that enables the communication between various services and components in a system. Event-driven architectures, EDAs, have gained a lot of popularity over the years, and it's no wonder why. EDAs offer many benefits such as scalability, flexibility, and agility. However, they also come with their fair share of drawbacks. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of event-driven architectures to help you make an informed decision about whether it's worth implementing in your system. Pros of event-driven architectures. Scalability. One of the main benefits of event-driven architectures is scalability. EDAs allow businesses to scale their systems easily without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. This is because the event-driven approach decouples the various components and services in a system, enabling them to work independently. As a result, businesses can add new services or remove existing ones without affecting the overall performance of the system. Flexibility. Another advantage of EDAs is flexibility. The decoupled nature of EDAs enables businesses to change or upgrade their services without affecting other parts of the system. This makes it easy to adapt to changing business needs and market trends. Resilience. EDAs are also more resilient compared to other architectures. This is because they are designed to handle failure and recover from it quickly. In an event-driven architecture, services are designed to handle events asynchronously, which means that if one service fails, it won't bring down the entire system. Real-time processing. Event-driven architectures are designed for real-time processing, which means that businesses can react to events as they happen. This is important in industries such as finance, where real-time processing is critical for making informed decisions. Improved performance. EDAs can also improve system performance by reducing latency. In a traditional architecture, services are coupled, and communication between them can cause delays. However, in an event-driven architecture, services communicate through events, which reduces the communication overhead and improves system performance. Cons of event-driven architectures. Complexity. One of the main drawbacks of event-driven architectures is complexity. EDAs are more complex compared to other architectures, which can make it challenging to design, develop, and maintain. This is because the event-driven approach requires careful planning, and businesses need to have a deep understanding of their system's components and services. Debugging. Debugging in event-driven architecture can also be more challenging compared to other architectures. This is because events can trigger multiple services, and tracing the root cause of an issue can be difficult. Event order. Another disadvantage of EDAs is event order. In a traditional architecture, services communicate synchronously, which means that the order of events is predictable. However, in an event-driven architecture, events can occur asynchronously, which can make it challenging to predict the order of events. Event-driven architectures are not suitable for all systems. While EDAs offer many benefits, they are not suitable for all systems. For example, if a system requires a high level of data consistency or transactional integrity, EDAs may not be the best option. Increased complexity in testing. Testing in event-driven architecture can also be more complex compared to other architecture patterns. Conclusion. In conclusion, event-driven architectures offer many benefits, such as scalability, flexibility, resilience, real-time processing, and improved performance. However, they also come with drawbacks such as complexity, debugging challenges, unpredictable event order, and suitability limitations. Before implementing an event-driven architecture, businesses should carefully consider their system's needs, evaluate the pros and cons, and determine whether it's the best option. If implemented correctly, an event-driven architecture can enable businesses to respond quickly to changing market demands, improve system performance, and stay ahead of the competition.